Today is October 5th, 2019. I'm here at Palouse Falls, and you can see the falls right over top of my shoulder there. They're falling down, as most waterfalls do. And it looks kind of small from here, but it actually is quite big. And we're looking at it from a high angle here, so that's probably the reason why. But it's a beautiful day, and I think we're still in Washington here. Not 100% sure, but maybe 95% sure. But Palouse Falls back there. Okay, signing off. See you later. Bye-bye. This is just another angle of the falls. You got, you got the shade down there, and you got the sun, so it's going to be tough to see them totally. But this is about as far left as I can walk here because it's blocked off. But beautiful area. There's a fence up here, and some people up there. And maybe a cloud will come over, and this will all be in the shade. I can get a little better picture here, so we'll see.
Right. That's where Lewis and Clark walked through on the return. They walked right through what's now that big farm. And right down here on the left, at about 9 and 10 o'clock, you can see those two buttes sticking up down there. So if those pieces of rock could tell a story, huh? If they could talk, I bet they'd have a story to tell. But there are a couple big, they just sit out there in the middle of the river all by themselves. Hitting these rocks here and then having to split. Either goes, it makes a big T. So that big bar over here on the left behind the bridge there, and then we'll have another big one over on the right. So, and then when the Lewis and Clark came down, White House made some notes. They were in a set of rapids up here. You can see it right behind the trees. Big, long, straight stretch. This 20 yards wide, 2 miles long. Said it ran like a mill race, swifter than a horse could run.